In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio volume in InVideo's advanced editor. InVideo often adds background music to your project automatically, which is great for setting a mood, but it can sometimes overpower your visuals or voiceover. To fine-tune it, start by opening your project in the advanced editor so you can see the timeline running along the bottom of the screen. This is your control center for everything that happens over time in your video. Now look toward the bottom of the screen for the audio track. It sits beneath your video layer and usually appears as a horizontal bar with a waveform pattern. That waveform is a visual representation of the sound. If you see multiple audio layers, focus on the one that contains your music, not your voiceover. Music tracks tend to have a more consistent waveform, while dialogue looks more uneven. Click directly on the audio track to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted, and the options in the top toolbar become active for that track. Selecting the right layer first is important because any changes you make will only apply to the track you've chosen. Next, look up to the top toolbar for the volume icon. It usually looks like a small speaker. Click that icon to open the volume controls for your selected audio track. This brings up a simple slider that lets you increase or decrease the sound level without affecting the rest of your project. Use the slider to adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Dragging it to the left will reduce the music, and moving it to the right will make it louder. If you're working with a voiceover, a gentle background level is generally best so the narration remains clear. Subtle adjustments are often all you need. Big changes can make the track feel jarring. As you adjust, pay attention to how balanced it feels with your visuals and any spoken audio. You can always make small tweaks until it sounds just right. Once you're happy with the level, you're set. The change applies to that specific audio track, and you can come back to the volume icon anytime if you want to refine it later. That's all there is to it. Open your project, locate the audio track, select it, click the volume icon on the top toolbar, and adjust the slider to achieve the perfect balance.